material world. Everybody's living in a material world. I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world. I am a material girl. Living in a material world. I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world. I am a material girl. A material world.
You're very, very good. And your quick change was beautiful. I mean, it was really amazing.
Thank you so much.
You did it very uniquely. The mixture of magic and your performance made it so much more special. You're the best quick change artist we have ever seen.
Yes,
you really are.
I agree.
Thank you.
You look beautiful, professional. It was entertaining. We loved you tonight. I want to see more.
Gracias.
Sometimes when we have these acts, you have a lady who does the quick change and then normally an annoying guy who does nothing. And the fact that you were on your own and did it, for me, made it just so much better. It was so slick, and you've got 2 minutes to cram that in. That was amazing.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's vote. Yes or no, Simon?
Obviously, yes.
Yes.
Third yes.
Thank you. And I'm going to give you a fourth yes.
I love the mixture of magic and quick change.